Welcome people to today's episode. Will Bitcoin go up or down? You will find it out in today's video. Today I will analyze Bitcoin, Power Ledger versus the Bitcoin, AI, SUSHISWAP versus USDT, Vodafone and Ethereum. So let's start with Bitcoin. This is last week's chart. I will make it invisible for now. And of course, let's start higher time frame on the weekly chart. We had a red week this week. Small candle. We have gained this area and now currently at resistance from this last the drop off of the huge range, and that is around 24,400 area. So a little trouble to go through. Okay, I will make last week's chart visible. So, as I've drawn last week, this is where we currently rejecting for now. All these scenarios are still in play. So either we gain, go back for the retest and a higher push, or we will have a pullback, so we will go down a little bit or a little further and create a higher low. So all the three scenarios from last week are all three still valid. And yeah, let's see what will happen the coming days. Okay, so that was a very short analysis of Bitcoin. And from Bitcoin, I will go to Power Ledger versus Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart, and I will start drawing in some levels. Nice green week. Let's go to the daily candles. Okay. We have a daily gain from the 820 Satoshi area. Yeah. Probably today then. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can maintain the upwards momentum, and I'll try to find an entry. So, okay. This is the 4-hour chart, and I will draw in some scenarios for the coming days. Either the aggressive entry here, that is 813 Satoshi, and try to break the current resistance again, the 1031 Satoshi. Or the more defensive entry, around 785 Satoshi, and I try to break the 1031. Let's see what the possible Profit will be around 26 from the aggressive. And around 31 for the passive. Okay. For the defensive. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That was Power Ledger versus Bitcoin. And from Power Ledger, we will go to AI. AI is currently hot due to ChatGPT and all the developments around this. There's another one, Dolly, and many more. So let's see if we can find a nice entry. This is the weekly chart, and I will draw in some levels. Okay. From early January until now, 100, almost 150% for a stock. That's very nice. Okay. We have gained this drop-off point here, the $20 area. And now I would like to see daily gain from this, the 2281, but that's not. Maybe Tuesday or something. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Might be some resistance here around $30. So either we go straight to the $30 area, and then I will say the pullback till the 1496 and try to break the $30 again. Or we go straight back to 1496 and try to break the 2281 again. Or the more defensive one, pull back till 1352 area and try to break the 2281 again. Yeah. And there's also another option, more aggressive one. This, but that's after the daily gain. There's an entry at 1866. So it's your choice to be aggressive or defensive. And if we miss it, then we miss it. There are much opportunities in the market, so it doesn't matter. Okay, that was AI. And from AI we will go to SUSHISWAP versus USDT. Okay, this is the daily chart. I will change to the weekly, and I will clean up the chart because these are old drawings, I think. And let me start drawing in the levels. So by the way, how was the week? It's less cold here, but still windy. I hope that the sun is coming back very soon. Okay, from the weekly we go to the daily. Let's go back in the past, see what we can find there. Okay, so we have a daily gain from the $1.467 area. That's here. Okay. The weekly gain from the old drop off here, that's the $1.349 area. So that's nice. Construction is upwards. Okay, so I see two entries. The aggressive one is around $1.14.5 and I try to break the current $1.62, or the more defensive one around $1.16 and try to do the same. What is the risk with the stop loss? That's too much. So you can also do it in play when you see the price will stop somewhere, lower time frame, it stopped, and print a low, an high, low, high, and then you can enter up to go upwards. That's the safest way to enter. Okay, and from SUSHISWAP we will go to VODAFONE. That's an old classic one, and I will chart drawing in some levels at the monthly chart. We are currently back at levels from 1997, 1995. So that is almost 30 years ago. And from the monthly we go to the weekly. Construction is downwards, it's rejecting. So rejections from the last high, we will go back to the start of the impulse, and if we lose the start of the impulse, then we will go lower. Okay. So the start of the impulse is here around $9.97. Then we need to break the current construction, that is here. And if we fail, then a more defensive entry around $7.76, or the most defensive one around $5.79. Okay, these are the scenarios for Vodafone, and from Vodafone we will go to Ethereum. Ethereum, the weekly chart, a small green week. Last week Bitcoin was looking stronger than Ethereum, but this week Ethereum is looking stronger than Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is red, Ethereum is green. So let's see what we can find on this chart. I will make the drawing of last week visible. Oh, wait. Yeah, we have a weekly gain from this 1594 area. And now rejecting this drop of 1760 area. Okay, the chart of last week, and we will go to the daily. So earlier this week the compression was clear visible and we broke upwards. You can see the triangle here, that was the compression, and after compression is extension, and we broke out the upwards direction. So these two scenarios are still in play. Yeah. So these two scenarios are still in play, and yeah, that's the plan for the coming days. Nothing much changed with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yes, that was it for this week. If you like the content, you can follow me on social media. You can find it in the description down below or in the banner. The links are there. So yeah, smash the like and hit the subscribe button, and see you guys next week. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.